father said never give up, son. Just look how good Cassie has become. Mohammed, Mahatma and Nelson, not scared to be strong.
I mean, what if they say I'm no good? What if they say, get out of here, kid, you got no future?
Now you can run and just see they're right. No, I'll never be no one in my whole life. Or you could turn, see the way they're wrong, and get to keep on dancing all life long. Father said never give up, son. Just look what Amelia and John done. Oh, Rosa and Teresa, they're war one, not scared to be strong. Now you can run and just see they're right. No, I'll never be no one in my whole life. To keep on dancing all life long. Yeah, you could be someone special. You've got pride in your brains and like lead in your veins. You'll go higher than they've ever gone. In you I see someone special. You've got fire in your eyes, and when you realize you'll go further than we've ever gone. Just turn
I
it
paid
on.
my intuition, I couldn't afford tuition. My funds was insufficient, it felt like I'm in prison. Until I realized I had to set my mind free. I was trusting statistics more than I trust me. Get a degree, good job, 401k. But I'm trying to turn K's to M's, what does it take? And maybe I could be the new Ollie of music, probably. Instead of doing it just as a hobby like these boys told me to. I guess you either watch the show or you show and prove. Prove it to them or you prove it to yourself. But honestly, it's better if you do it for yourself. Never complacent till we hit the oasis. One life, don't waste it, feel my heart racing. Success, I taste it, we on the verge of getting every single thing that we deserve.
Someone special. You've got fire in your eyes, I see heaven inside you. Go further than we've ever gone. In you I see someone special. You've got pride in your brains, you can break through those chains. You'll go higher than we've ever gone. Just turn it on. In you I see someone special. Don't go to war with yourself. Just turn it on. And you can't go wrong.